How to fix sound not working on Dell monitor. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the sound not working on the Dell monitor. First, click on the speaker icon located on the bottom right corner of your PC screen. This will open the audio settings. Now check if the volume is turned up and not muted. If it is muted, click on the speaker icon to unmute it. Next, click on the filter icon next to the speaker icon, which will open additional sound options. Make sure the correct output device is selected. Then, go to the volume mixer. In the mixer, ensure that the sound is turned up for both the system and the individual applications. If the sound still isn't working, make sure that the audio cable from your monitor is securely connected to your PC and check if your monitor's built-in speakers are enabled. Lastly, you can try restarting your PC or checking for any software updates for your sound driver. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.